Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a Flipgrid video for our first assignment, which is to introduce yourself. And I'm doing that in this video that I'm making for you, a screencast video, and in it I'm taking a shorter video from the Flipgrid. You're going to be doing the shorter one. So first I will send you a link to Flipgrid, and you are going to choose to record. But before you start recording, you're going to want to set up your Flipgrid. Oops. So the first thing I did is I went to Effects here, and they have frames. I added a frame to mine here. It's like a golden New Year's Eve party. The second thing I did, and you can add whatever you want, I'm just showing you some of these, is I added a board. So as you can see, there's a board on half the screen and my face in the other half. So I split the screen and I chose this background as my effect. And then I went to the draw, and I wrote my name with my mouse, which is a little tricky. If you make a mistake as you go, which I did, you go up here to the undo, and that will undo the most recent mark you made. So, and you can change the colors. You can add filters, so if you're not feeling like it's your best face, and you don't have to put your face, you could put just your writing. So you could pick a filter, you could do something, like this. Would be nice to see everyone's face, even if it's just really filtered. You could do the bricks, right? Ooh, ah. Okay. Then I'm all set up. Oops, I don't want this effect. I left the filter on. No filter. Okay. So I've got that all set up. There are some options over here if you want to do the mirror. You could upload a clip. You can mute, but we really want to hear what you have to say. You're going to be answering 3 questions. And this is a record screen. I'm not quite sure what that's for. I'm using this record down here. We'll be figuring this out. We're going to use Flipscreen for Flipgrid for different assignments throughout the year. All right, so now I'm going to record and answer the 3 questions that I posted with this assignment. Very simple, just get to know you questions. So it's going to give you a 3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm Mrs. Herb. The pronouns I use are she, her. And something that I'm proud about is the fact that I adopted a puppy during the pandemic. He's a pandemic puppy when they were very hard to find. And it was something we talked about it a lot as a family. And since we were going to be home for a while, we knew it was a good time to get started. And I took it to the vet and trained it a little bit. And I did that with my work and my kids. So I'm really proud that I was able to do that. Okay, then I'm going to stop. All right, so that's what you're going to make. It's probably going to be less than a minute. All right. Then it's going to ask for different options. So down here, after you've recorded, you can go next. Okay, so, oh, nice space. We'll leave that. If you wanted to edit, you can edit with these. I think you double click on it. Whoops. And you can drag these on both sides if you wanted to clip something out of it. Then I'm going to, it's fine. It covered everything I wanted to. I'm going to confirm it. Oops, see, you can see it's less than a minute. Mine, what was? Okay. And next. So now it's going to ask me to take a selfie, but I'm going to want to clear my effects to do that. So, or let's go back here. Does it have, oh, it won't let you have the board when you're in. So I want to take off the drawing. Let me see. Okay, then I'm going to do this for my picture for right now, so I can figure out what I need to do to erase these next time. So here I am. Here's my selfie. Oh, if let's say I don't want to show you my face in my selfie, I could go to emojis and I could pick one. Let's see. Wow, they have a lot. I'm just going to pick this one. Okay. And then I can make it big. And there's my emoji. And I can use that for my selfie, right? But I'm going to show my face. I'm going to take a picture. Okay, it captured it. Nice. All right. Then I'm going to say next. And it uploaded my video. So I like how you want to put your name. This is important because it's an introduction. And I'm going to submit it. So that is how you make your Flipgrid, and you complete it. And we will be looking at these, or I will give you time for other students in the class to look at these, and we'll actually be playing with a game with it next week. So I will, if you have any questions, you can shoot me an email, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.